Hello everyone, Michael Lee here from the reviewer. I have two packages here from the mail. Basically both are from Sternglas. So the first one is a strap that they have sent to me. This is a wonderful and nice strap. It's actually a Green Modena strap from Sternglas. So basically Sternglas is a German company, watch company from Germany, Hamburg. So they create a lot of Bauhaus style watches, which is very nice. Okay, I have the nails here. So I have changed the original black strap to the block strap. The watch looks even prettier and nicer when I wear it. So let's go into today's review. So in this box itself, basically it's a new watch from Sternglas. It's the Kanton 2.0. This is the silver black version. So let us unbox it and have a look. So inside here we have a very beautiful nice box, okay, that it comes in. So this box actually is a high quality oak veneer watch box, okay. So your watch is well protected on its way. Basically there's a lot of bubble wraps and comes together with this watch itself. So basically what happens here is the watch itself looks gorgeous, okay. It is actually a Swiss Sellita SW200 movement, okay. It's a dome sapphire glass, okay. Basically this watch, okay, is fully made in Switzerland, okay. The diameter is 39 mm. Case material is 216L stainless steel, silver polished. So it actually have a case height of 10 mm, okay. Lug width 20 mm, Lug-to-lug 45 mm. Water resistance is up to 5 bar. So the watch itself actually comes in the dial color. It's actually not white. It's something they call satin-silver. The hands type is needle hands. Hands color basically is black with luminous. So the watch itself have a dome sapphire glass. It's a double reflective. It looks very nice on this watch itself. The case itself, okay, other than front sapphire glass, there is also another sapphire glass at the back itself, okay. Let's pull out the watch for all of you to have a look, okay. To me, I like both watch, the nails as well as this, okay. So you can see the Swiss movement at the back, okay. Sternglas embossed on it. So this is a very nice Swiss movement. Comes from Sellita. So it's the SW series movement. Okay. So you comes with the strap Modena 20 black. The previous one that I show you is the green version. So I'm gonna swap around, depends on the clothing that I'm wearing. So I can have a switch around for colors. So the other thing is it has a date function, okay, and also it has a hacking function itself, okay, in this watch. It comes with power reserve of 38 hours, frequency of 28 hours, 800 Ah, 26 joules, okay. So yeah, so what else in the box we can see is basically the warranty card plus the handbook, okay. In German it's called handbook. So this is the manual itself, okay, that comes together with this pretty veneer black box. So I'm going to wear this as my daily as well, together with my nails, okay. Let's see how it goes. I may do another review on the watch itself and see how it aged, okay. Currently I can feel that the strap is a bit hard, okay. This watch actually costs about 4,000 ringgit Malaysia, okay. I think it's about close to about 700 plus or 800 plus US dollars. I got it in during the Black Friday sales plus the voucher code, okay. In fact, I'm gonna share some voucher codes for you guys. You can get a 5% discount when you purchase anything from Sternglas. So yeah, I think that's it for my review today. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.